Hey guys, Brandon with Flyin Miata back with another FM Live. Today we're going to talk about clutch jobs and how to make them as easy as possible. So as always, you guys have questions, drop them in the comments. We'll get to them hopefully at the end of my little spiel here. If not, we'll get to them in the comments later on. So we have a new tool that we are introducing. So this tool is to hold your flywheel in place. When you have to torque the crank bolts, or you torque or loosen the flywheel or pressure plate bolts, the whole thing's going to rotate and it's not going to stay in place. And there are a few different ways you can hold it in place with varying degrees of difficulty and likelihood for smashed fingers. So we are trying to avoid all of those. So we have this tool right here, super duper simple. It just locks in against the tooth right there. So right now I can loosen it, because it's rocked into that. I can rock it that way, and now there's enough clearance so I can spin the flywheel if need be. And then I can rock it this way, and now I can tighten all of my bolts. So that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward. It's laser cut stainless steel. You're going to reuse one of your stock bolts, and you have spacers here to get it the appropriate distance off. Now it is available for the NC and ND. That's one version. The reason it has two spacers here is to account for the length of the bolt, and then also you swap the spacers for the NC because the spacing is a little different because this is an ND engine. We also have it for the NA and NB, exact same concept. You use a stock bolt, only comes with one spacer because one offset. And again, it's the exact same concept. The tool is slightly different with the specific dimensions, but the exact same kind of thing. You know, how you use it, install it. There are specific holes that will work and will not work. So we have instructions for both of these. You want to make sure to look at the instructions to see which bolt holes are applicable and which bolt holes are not. I mean, really, if you put it in a bolt hole and it doesn't line up, that's the wrong bolt hole. Find a different one. But they're all spelled out in the instructions. And that's pretty much it. You don't want to get this super tight. You want to allow it to rotate a little bit, like I was showing before. Just for, I mean, you can get it all the way tight if you want, but just for simplicity, you do want to make sure that it can't rock at all. You need to make sure that it's snug enough so it's not going to cant over and break something. So that's about it. It's going to be a short video because it's an incredibly straightforward concept. So I do have a few questions here, not very many. How much? Check the website. We'll link to that in the comments below. Can I get it delivered yesterday? Our DeLorean has not arrived yet, unfortunately. However, you could get it tomorrow, maybe, or certainly the next day. So we have them in stock, ready to go right now on the website. Which leads me to my next question. When will be available on your site? Today, as of like 4 hours ago. So the comment was a totally valid question, but they are now available on our site. So do we have any live questions? No. Okay. Short video. You're welcome or I'm sorry. I'm not sure which one. So as always, you have questions, let us know. Hit up our awesome CSRs. Drop them in the comments. We'll get to you there. If you like this, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun social media stuff. And we will be back, as always, next Thursday for another FM Live. And if you have any ideas for more videos, please let us know. We're always looking for ideas for stuff to ramble on about. So thanks, as always. We will see you guys next time.